Hi guys, I wanted to come back with part 3 of this Shabby Chic journal series. So I'm going to do just a flip through. I would consider this 98% complete. So I'll go ahead and do the flip through and let y'all see how it turned out. So on the front, I added this fun little, just this little bit of lace right here. And I really love that right there. I think that's the color of this rose right here goes perfectly. And I like the little subtle touch of lace. And then when we open it up on the inside, I've added this beautiful little framed rose right here. And we have this pocket over here. So I have some tags that I will be putting in here. And then here is a little tag I made, and I put this image on here and made it a little side pocket. And I think that's so cute, just tucked right in there. And you can journal on the back. And then I have this beautiful Tim Holtz rose die cut right there. And then here's this really pretty little coin envelope that I made. And this is with Shabby Dabby Doodah Digital, and then I put a sticker on top of here. And I think the sticker goes so well. And then here we have this really sweet little side tuck. And this digital. And then I did some stenciling on this page with a music note stencil. So you still have plenty of room to do some additional decorating or some journaling. I didn't want to decorate every single page. And then here's a fun little fabric flip. So you can add some journaling in here if you want to, whatever you want to do. But I just love little fabric flips and this little lace. And then I added on top of this pocket, another fun little pocket, and have this tag right here. And then I did a few rub-ons, and I think those work so well on this avocado dyed paper. And this is one of my digitals on the back of this. And added quite a bit of lace trim throughout. Some's vintage and some is new. So there's a mix. And here's the center of this signature, and I added a rub-on there. I love that little perfume bottle. And then here's another fun little perfume bottle. Thought the color went so well with this pocket. And you have all the little sewing details on the pockets. And here's just a cute little cluster. Has a little cheesecloth, a little bit of bling, and a label. And this is ledger paper, actual ledger paper here from the 1800s. It's printed on one side. And, so it's the actual from 1869, which is so cool. And then some more avocado dyed paper, and I used my edge stamp, or edge punch to decorate those up. And then another fun little pocket, and then I just put some pretty paper in here that can be used to do some other decorating. And then we have a hidden paper clip right here. Those are so fun to make. I did a video on how to make these. And it's super easy. You can make 6 at a time, which is really kind of fun. And then here I added some of this velvet trim. And the color just goes so well with these papers. I love it. And we have some coffee dyed lace. Another fun scrapbook page. Some more scrapbook paper. Here I did just a little cluster and some little washi tape. I think this is a printable. Another pocket, and here's another fun cluster. And here is another tuck. Find something to tuck in there. Let's see. So we have a nice little tuck right here. And then I did another rub-on. And then here is a side tuck, and here's one of the tags. So there'll be several tags that I'll include in here. And I love the stamping and stenciling. And then this is some vintage lace and Tim Holtz little paper doll. And then I added this rub-on here. And then here we have another tuck right here. I love this paper. And this is vintage lace here. And then we have another tag with a little tuck right here. So cute. I love the little butterflies on there. So fun. And then the lace and the little flower. And then I did some Tim Holtz collage paper on the background and inked it up a little bit. Some more avocado dyed paper. Some more printable paper on ledger. And then here is a fun, this is one of my favorite pockets to make. I've made them with envelopes, so this time I thought I would try and make it with just some decorative paper. And so I have 4 little pockets here. So we have a pocket here, and then we have a pocket here, and a pocket here, and then a pocket in the back. So I put this big die cut back here so it can be poking out. And then I've just added, so here is a French, you know, one of those flashcards. And then I have just a variety of little digitals, and I have some Tim Holtz tags and some labels and some stickers and some other digitals here. All the colors I think coordinate so well with this journal. But just a fun little pocket, really easy to do. I'll do a process video on this soon. And then over on this pocket, added this beautiful little Victorian lady. And then just some more scrapbook papers tucked in here. And some decorative paper, avocado dyed paper. I love how the color turned out on this batch. It's so pretty. And some more ledger paper printable. And another pocket. And then this is the last signature. So tons of room for decorating. Added a little bit of lace and bling up here. Another sticker of this cute little label right here. A cluster up here. And then I did another rub-on flower. I really love these. I got them at Taperlogy, and I think they work really well. And then a little more Tim Holtz collage paper. And then this is, I think it's tea-dyed doily. Could be coffee dyed, but I think it's tea-dyed. And then here's some vintage lace. Another pocket, and this is with one of Lorna's stamps I stamped up here. And this is another one of my digitals. And then the center signature. I want to add a couple little charms here. And then another sticker poking out of the pocket. Some lace trim. Another fun cluster. Added some lace and pearls and a label and a little wax seal. Another pocket. And this was fun. So I used my die cut to make this, and then I cut out a piece of decorative paper and then put these fun little Tim Holtz dolls there. And I think that's so sweet. I love that. I think that's a fun way to use these die cuts. And then here I have this sweet little playing card, vintage playing card in this pocket. Look, I mean, the colors of these roses couldn't go more perfectly, if you ask me. And then I have my little library card that I decorated up back in here. And I'll probably put a little tag in there as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this series. It was fun for me exploring Shabby Chic, and that's what I'm doing for this month's Patreon. So it's kind of fun to do that in combination with what I'm working on for my patrons. And like I said, it's a squishy cover, which I like. And it's 6 by 9 is the length and the height. All right, well, thank you all so much for following me on this series, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.